Hi, good morning. This is Patrick Loda with MarineMax here in Long Beach Island, New Jersey. Today we're looking at the 2024 Saxdor 27. This boat is powered by twin Mercury twin 200s. Great setup for this boat, very powerful. This is a great dock and dine day boat, also going over to the sandbars. Great family function. When you come up in here to the boat, you have the sea deck here on the floor, a little more comfortable on your feet, keeping the temperature down. Fiberglass hardtop. Has glass all throughout the top. Powder coating, very heavy duty. You have a nice teak table for a great dining and lounging area. It will also fold back for a little more easy access to get in and around. Come up here in the helm area. Yeah, real nice setup. Three seats. You can go out with 6 people in the cockpit as you're kind of pulling down the bay and everything. Again, a lot of headroom up in here. Nice setup here with the dash. They do like an off color here, so it keeps the sun from blinding you. It has a nice 12-inch Simrad GPS chart plotter, sounder, radar capable. This also has your trim tabs with a joystick. This also has a bow thruster, which will give you a little maneuverability around the dock. You have your twin controls here. You also have the tilt helm. Okay, ignitions, VHF radio, very simple. Down here in the cabin area, you have a nice setup down here. So this is all set up real nice if you're going to do you want to do a quick overnight, you want to take a nap if you're out again at the sandbar doing stuff like that. You have a small sink in here also too. Have a nice potty. You come back out this way again, and you come up to the front of the boat. Sea deck up here again, and then you have plenty of room here, cup holders, cushions. You also have a hatch down in the cabin for sunlight, but also for emergencies. But this could be also again another big sun pad for your guests to do a little bit of everything. If you want to see this boat or any other boat, give us a call at MarineMax at 609-926-0600. We'll see you out on the water. Thank you.